To auto enable exercise mode when connected to your gym place Wi-Fi in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap exercise, tap turn on automatically, and then tap add condition. Under connection section, select Wi-Fi network, tap add, and then select your gym place Wi-Fi network name, tap done button, and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, your gym place Wi-Fi network has been added as one of the exercise mode condition, which means when your phone is connected to your gym place Wi-Fi network, your phone will automatically enable the exercise mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.